guys, so another how to make money episode for today, and now I will be sharing with you my top YouTubers, small YouTubers that I'm currently following now. So they are micro influencer, I believe, so they only got less than 10,000 followers. So there's also other influencers that I'm following that really earning a lot of money. But in this examples that I'm gonna provide with you is these are the people who have less than 15,000 followers. So this person, How to Webmaster Tools, he only have 8,100 plus subscriber, and his channel is more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So this one, as you can see, let's see what is his most popular views. So yeah, this is more into affiliate marketing and some web development videos, but it's just in the middle range. It really doesn't dive into, you know, coding stuff. So it's just setting like the WordPress stuff. So as you can see here, he has 7 years ago. This one, I don't think this was counted on his revenue because it was 7 years ago. And in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch times. And I think this 143,000 views eats the watch hours. So you need to complete the 4,000 watch hours in order to so YouTube start paying you money. Anyway, let's go into his channel. So I'm gonna. So this part he has. So this is the topic. He for the earned November. So here is he has 66,900 views. So if you calculate that one, okay, so 66,900, and then we divide it by 1,000, so it's 66.9. Now I'm gonna divide his estimated revenue, so 800.17 divided by 66.9. So basically his RPM is pretty high. It's $12 RPM. So as you can see here, for the 66,900 views, he earned $810, and right now he already have 8,000 subscribers. So I believe that he's earning at this point, November or probably December, is way higher than $810. So this was filmed last November 19, and this is for the October revenue. So this one. So I really like it. I really like his channel. It's super simple. Actually, you don't need to be, you know, if you check his thumbnails in here, it's super simple. And most of his videos as well are not just are not long views, but even though it's just a short videos, it's informative. So the important thing is if you need to select your niche and to come up with a good, you know, of informative and an evergreen content. So I like this dude. $800 for a month is already a good deal for me, as long as it is passive. Okay, now let's dive into the other one. I really like her as well. She is Jade Choi. Before, his videos is more about, I think when I found her videos is more about cryptocurrency and stock, stock finances. But I think this was his old videos. It's more about stock market. But what I really like about her channel is for just a short amount of time, he was able to get this. He was able to get a good revenue. So let's dive into her. Let's check her earnings. Here. I'll try to open this one, revenue. By the way, if you want to search their revenue, sometimes most of the small YouTubers, especially for small YouTubers, they sometimes film their first paycheck. So you can just type in revenue or YouTube paycheck. So like that. So this one, she filmed her first YouTube paycheck for 7,000 subscriber. So I'm gonna, I think I'll try to, so her CPM is $6.74. The How to Webmaster Tools has higher CPM than this girl, so than Jade. So it's Webmaster Tools have 2 times higher RPM. So, but let's see how much money she is earning. What I really like about her channel is she added a lead magnet thing in here. I haven't added it to my channel yet, but I'm really planning to come up with a lead magnet resources so I can grab the contacts of my subscribers. So her estimated revenue is $213 for 7,000 subscribers. Not bad. And what I really like again with YouTube is it passively growing as long as you keep uploading videos on YouTube for 7,000 subscribers. Now she has 10.4 subscribers, so I believe it's more than 200. I think she's already in 700. She has an updated video for her YouTube earnings, so check out her channel. It's super amazing. I also love her content. Her content is more about YouTube and how to make money online. It's almost similar to my niche. Already starting YouTube, followers really doesn't matter. It's about the views, but followers is important to expand your audience. Now let's dive into the wait a minute. So this boy, he only have 1,000, almost 2,000 subscribers. Okay, so this John, most of his content is about programming. So like Python, Raspberry. So if you are a geek person, then probably you can check John's website. And yeah, you can see in here. So she only have lesser views, but I think yeah, let's see how much his CPM here. So he had 40,000. Oh, that's super big. 42,200 views. So let's calculate that one. 42,200 views, and we divided it to 1,000. I think reason why this is super big because his video it's just a short form video like Webmaster Tools. You only have 1 minute video for most of his videos. There's only 1 minute long video. Anyway, so 40,000, so 42.2. We divided that by $51.97 divided by 42. So his RPM is not quite good. It's only 1.23 RPM. But I think the reason in this is because his video are too small. So if you are a geek person, then probably you can start creating videos that longer than 10 minutes so you can manage your mid-rolls. But I really like this person. Actually, I subscribe to John's channel on my other YouTube account because this one is more into how to make money online, and it's not really similar to my channel. I subscribe him to my channel on BookwormHead because BookwormHead is more about into programming stuff. But anyway, so let's dive into my other favorite YouTuber. So this is Brenna. So her niche is more into travel related. Actually, she also have videos that has 100,000 views, and I really like her topics. It's more about travels, lifestyle. So this one, she's been in Philippines as well. So by the way, I'm from Philippines. Anyway, so she has 86,000 views, and her estimated revenue is $174. As you notice in here, like Jade Choi has only fewer views compared to Brenna, but Jade is earning higher compared to Brenna. So it depends on the topics. It depends on the person that is watching your videos. So if you calculate Brenna's channel, so 86,200 divide 1,000, so 86.74 That's 174.53 divided by, let's just put 86. So she has an RPM or CPM of $2. Yeah. Before I was tend to lose hope on YouTube, but when I found this, guys, it really gives me an inspiration to pursue what I love, not just for money but just for sharing my ideas, because sometimes I just felt that every time I document things that I've learned, it's more retainable to me on just not sharing it or not documenting those. YouTuber, last but not the least, Catherine Manning. She is my goal. But anyway, let's see how much her first YouTube paycheck. She said that on her first YouTube paycheck, so her first YouTube paycheck is almost similar to my first YouTube paycheck. No, 2 times higher. So because she has 2,000 subscribers, I only have 1,000 subscribers, and her revenue is $64.96. But right now, let's just give you like an inspiration. I know this is super hard. She really did a hard work on her channel. This was filmed when she has 2,000 subscribers, and her earning is only $64.96. Now let's go to her updated revenue. Let's dive into revenue here, and okay, let's just look this one. So she already have 298k subscribers, so this one is not updated. However, if you can see her earning here, let's just check her earning. So this one, if you see here, like she earned $5,000, almost $6,000 for YouTube ads, and that is super amazing. Not including the affiliates and the marketing and the main source of income, because she also sell courses. So that one is just a piece of her income stream. So yeah, it's just super amazing. So that's it, guys. I hope you can check their channel as well, because those channels are super amazing, super worth to watch. You can learn a lot from them, and there are my goals as well.